beach. You're so bad you're playing Minecraft, pod friend. Well, why don't you go and play some Dota then? You seem to love it so much. Oh wait, you can't play that. Have fun playing Monopoly with your imaginary friends. Oh wait, who's imaginary? Yours, I guess. Goodbye, imaginary friend. Cut imaginary friend. Can I say womp womp? Yes, I can. Womp 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 womp. Laughs, I'm so silly sometimes. Arthi 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 art. I can try. Purrs, yes, that definitely sounded like a cat. I think I might be better at purring than actual cats. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to stream on Valentine's Day. I may have to spend the day with my creator instead, wink.